The judiciary is part of the basic structure of the Constitution which needs to be preserved. But there are several other features of the Constitution which comprise the basic structure. Parliamentary sovereignty is not only an essential basic structure but also the soul of democracy. This is what Finance Minister Arun Jaitley noted in his Facebook post after the Supreme Court by a majority opinion struck down the 99th constitutional amendment which provided for the establishment of the National Judicial Commission. In his view, the court's judgment ignored the larger constitutional structure of India. Explaining his points as why he thinks that the majority transgressed into an erroneous logic in their judgment, Jaitley said that the judgment upheld the primacy of one basic structure, independence of judiciary, but diminished 5 other basic structures of the Constitution, namely parliamentary democracy, an elected government, the Council of Ministers, an elected Prime Minister, and the elected leader of opposition. The Finance Minister said that there was another error in the judgment. While quashing the 99th constitutional amendment, the court re-legislated the repeal provisions of Article 124 and 217, which only the legislature can do. He also remarked that the court can only interpret, it cannot be the third chamber of the legislature to rewrite a law. He also noted court's assumption in their argument that it alone can defend the nation against emergency-like situation is belied by history. Giving example, the Finance Minister said that when emergency was proclaimed in the mid-70s, there were politicians like him who fought out and went to prison. It was the Supreme Court that caved in. He further said that there is no constitutional principle that democracy and its institutions have to be saved from elected representatives. Jaitley also remarked that Indian democracy cannot be a tyranny of the unelected, and if the elected are undermined, democracy itself would be in danger. To strengthen the independence of the judiciary, one does not have to weaken parliamentary sovereignty, which is not only an essential basic structure, but also the soul of democracy. Bureau Report, DD News.